Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're talking about how you get Minecraft for Windows 10 for free, provided you've had a Minecraft account for years. So anyone whose Minecraft account is older than October 19th, 2018, you're entitled to a free copy of the Windows 10 version, which is quickly becoming the primary version you want to play if you want to play the absolutely most up-to-date version of Minecraft. And you can normally find and download it pretty easily from the Microsoft Store, which is available on any Windows computer, I think 7 and up. And the way that you go ahead and get access to this is you need to go to your Mojang account. You can't really just go to Mojang.com anymore because it goes to Minecraft.net after you hit enter. But if you go to account.mojang.com, you'll be able to log in and see all of your games that you've got out there on the web. And what you're looking for is a section here under Minecraft for Windows 10, which has a button somewhere called Redeem that will allow you to walk through the steps in order to get your free copy of Minecraft for Windows 10. Once you've got that redeemed, you can just open it like you would any other copy of Minecraft and then log in. The only difference is it runs through the Xbox system or the Windows 10 Microsoft network so that you can go ahead and get all of your stuff that way. It's worth noting as well that if you want to have everything like your skins back and your other various account settings, you'll have to dig around and set those up again because they don't all carry over from the original Minecraft account that you had. That's all usually saved on your computer, so you ought to do stuff like re-upload your skin. That was previously saved on the Mojang website, but this is a different system, so you might have to find a new one. So that's it. That's how you get a hold of Minecraft for Windows 10. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process. Hope you found this helpful. Until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.